Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to claim Spotify artist profile on DistroKid. If you're a brand new artist and you want to claim your Spotify for Artist profile before your first song even drops, so you can pitch it to playlists, here's exactly how to do it. First, upload your music through DistroKid at least 4 weeks before your release date. That 4-week window is important. It gives Spotify enough time to receive your release, and it gives you time to claim your profile and submit your song for editorial playlist consideration before it goes live. Once you've uploaded your track, don't rush. Give it a few days. After that, go to the top menu in DistroKid, click on Goodies or Features, then Helpful when needed, and select the Spotify URI looker upper. This tool will generate your unique artist URI, basically your official Spotify artist ID. Copy that URI, then head over to the Spotify for Artists claim page. Paste it in, follow the verification steps, and confirm your identity. Once you're approved, you'll officially have access to your Spotify for Artists dashboard, even though your music hasn't gone live yet. Now, if your music is already live on Spotify, the process is even simpler. Log into DistroKid, go to Goodies or Features, then Special Access, and click on Spotify for Artists. Select your artist name, follow the prompts, and log into your personal Spotify account to verify. In most cases, you'll get access almost instantly, sometimes in less than a minute, including that verified checkmark and full control of your profile. Thanks for watching.